Hello. There's the leader of the pack. These are such beautiful birds. Lovely geese there, just chilling or following the leader. And what makes these gorgeous birds different to any other birds? Like, people come to feed the ducks and birds, yet we'll still eat chicken and duck and geese and all these beautiful, wonderful animals that should be like this, just free to roam about and enjoy their day, just like you and me. And unfortunately, we have this crazy disconnect where we think it's okay to eat some animals and not okay to eat other animals. We want to protect some animals, but then eat some other animals. So ask yourself this: what makes any animal different to another? You know, we all have beating hearts, we all have thoughts, feelings, emotions, flesh, tendons, skin. Like, we are all made up of the same thing. We all have the capacity to feel pain. We all have the capacity to feel joy. So why not support all beings feeling joy and not pain and suffering? So yeah, live vegan. Peace. Hello, beautiful. Hello, little goosey. Hiya. Nice dinner. Oh, swans over there. Look at these birds' feet. They're really cool. Hello. Smile for the camera. Hello. See birds all living in harmony together. Chilling. Chilling. This little dude. Hiya. Hey. I'm sorry. I won't hurt you. Hello. Hello. So yeah guys, beautiful birds doing their thing. So lovely. Really love to come see the geese and the ducks and even the pigeons, and I'm not sure what those black and white birds were with the cool feet, but they're really nice too. You know, these are friends, not food. And also, if you're going to feed the ducks and the birds and things, don't feed them bread, because it's actually really bad for them. Like, you can look online to see what different things birds like to eat, but definitely not bread. Like, all human food that's not even real food, that's man-made, it just isn't very good for animals most of the time. So, you know, check what you're feeding to the animals, because you may think you're doing a nice good thing feeding the ducks, but actually you're harming them by giving them bread. So yeah. Oh, here they are. Hello. Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to show you off, because you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Bye birdies. Have a lovely day. This one's been left behind. Have a good day birdies. Have a good day.